In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Microsoft Connection timed out error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is search for command prompt. After it appears, click on the option to run as administrator. Now here you'll need to type in the command prompt ipconfig //DNS. Then press enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can fix many connection issues. Next, change DNS server. For that, close this. Now search for control panel. Launch it. Now, set view by to large icons, then go to the option network and sharing center. Now over here you're going to find this option change adapter settings, click on it. Then click on the network you are using, double click on it and select properties. Now head over to the option Internet Protocol version 4, click on properties. Now select the option use the following DNS server address and set it to 888.8 and 8844 and click on OK. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next thing you want to do is allow Minecraft and Java through Firewall. For that, close this. Now search for Windows Firewall and Defender. Now click on this option allow all the apps. Click on change settings. Scroll through the list and make sure both Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher are checked for private and public. Also look for any entry named Java or Java exe and make sure those are checked too. If they are missing, Minecraft may not connect properly. And that's it. Applying this process, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be solved. Now launch Minecraft, it will work. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.